for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a back to school haul. I will be doing clothes and school supplies. I wasn't going to do both, but I feel like I don't have enough clothes to not do both. And I personally kind of love back to school hauls. So I will do clothing first for those of you who don't want to see what supplies I got, but there will be supplies at the end of this video for any of you who are like stationary just like me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's just get on to this haul. I'm going to start off with what I got from the Vans store. So I just simply got a charcoal gray pair of Vans. I've worn these quite a bit already, honestly. I got these a little while ago during the summer, but I bought them for the sole purpose of back to school, so they still count. But I just got these charcoal gray Vans. I thought they'd go with everything. I got the slip-on versions. I love my checkered Vans, so I wanted something that could go with absolutely anything. The next store I went to was Journeys. I went here today and my bank account is crying at what I'm about to show you, but I'll show you the boring item that I got from there first. So I just got a simple pair of the black no-show socks. There are 5 pairs of these. The guy recommended these for people who wear Vans or Converse, or even my Fila's if I don't want you to be able to see my socks. But I've been needing some of these, so I finally got a pair, a pack, I guess. But for the most beautiful thing you will see in this entire haul, I finally bit the bullet and bought myself some Doc Martens. These are the Airwear ones. I have been wanting these for a very long time, and my mom gave me a little bit of money to help me, but I paid for the majority of them by myself. So I got the white Doc Martens. I'm so obsessed. I've wanted these for so long. They don't have the zips on them, but they're so cute. They look so good on. I have literally so many outfit ideas in mind. I honestly shouldn't, but I want to order a few things to just like to pair them with these shoes. My bank account is already so sad, but I haven't really bought myself clothes in a really long time, so I splurged and I got these, and I'm so excited. Okay, so the next store I went to was Rue 21. This is where I got the majority of my clothes, and honestly I didn't pick up a ton of clothes. I just kind of grabbed a few essentials or super cute things, but I got 3 bras, but I don't exactly feel comfortable showing you guys those, so I'm not going to. I have this super cute corduroy black skirt. I've seen these multiple places. I've wanted one for a very long time, and my mom and I finally found one, and I tried it on and it fit me super well, and I'm super excited to wear that, especially with my Doc Martens. Then I got 2 pairs of jeans. I got this pair that my mom picked out. She really liked them. They have tears in the legs, and then they're supposed to be high cuff. These are mid-rise, high cuff, almost famous jeans. They are super duper comfortable, and for size reference, I wear a 5 in Rue 21 jeans. I thought I was a 3, and I tried on the 3 and I could barely get them on, so. And then the other pair of jeans I got is this black pair, which I'm obsessed with. These are high-rise skinnies. These are also a 5. These are made from recycled denim, which I think is super cool, but they just look like this. They are just like a simple black pair of jeans. Next, I got this simple little black shirt. It just cinches in at the tatas, and The sleeves are a bit of like a bell cap sleeve, which are super cute. I tried this on in white, but you could see right through it, so my mom went and grabbed me a black one. I have this super cute little sweater. I love this. I've been looking for a sweater exactly like this. Finally found it, but it is so cute. Sleeves just look like this. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. And the last thing from Rue 21 is this super cute cream shirt that just has a v-neck and these cute little buttons in the front. This is in a size extra small. Okay, so now I have Amazon. Back again towards the more beginning of summer, I wanted to get some basic turtlenecks for back to school. My friend Tiffany has suggested me just get basic turtlenecks for like a year now, because you can pair them with almost absolutely anything and they'll look good. So I got this black bodysuit turtleneck. It's just super simple. It's so soft, and this is gonna look so cute with a pair of light wash jeans or that corduroy skirt. And you could pair it with a statement necklace, Doc Martens, or even my Fila's, or little booties, or knee-high boots would be super cute. But I got it in black, and I got the exact same one but in white. This might be a little bit see-through, but I feel like if I just wear it with like a nude bra or something like that, it'll be just fine. But it's the exact same one. It's just white. The last thing from Amazon is my book bag. I basically destroyed my book bag that I got 2 years ago. Its backpack strap literally is completely coming off, so I decided it was time for me to get a new one as I'm about to be a freshman. So this is the bag I got. It's so cute. I love the like grunge detail it has to it. This is what it looks like. It has 2 pockets on the front, side drink pockets, and then the inside has a ton of pockets. So you have this big one for like laptops, this little one, and then all of these pockets on that side. I'm seriously struggling, guys. I dropped my tripod and my phone completely on the floor, and I just hit my head on my makeup organizers, and stuff is now falling out of the bags. So this is how you know it's midnight and I'm filming this video. Okay, so I personally love stationery and school supplies. I hate school, but I love going to school supplies and school clothes shopping because I love shopping. So I went to Walmart for all of my school supplies, and I don't have a specific list, so I just kind of got the basics or things I liked / wanted / thought I would use. So first I have a 24 pack of colored pencils. Sorry, I can't talk, it's very late. I got a little pack of post-it notes, a ton of Sharpies because I highlight literally everything. I got this little pair of earbuds just for computer class. Got this super fancy pack of gel pens. My mom loves these, so I wanted to get myself a pack. Got 2 sets of the Papermate clear point pencils. These are the only pencils I will use. They're both in 0.5 millimeters, which I didn't really pay attention to when I bought them, but these are the only pencils I will use. 4 of these will last me the whole school year, so these are the best pencils. Second bag from Walmart. It looks like this. It's very full and extremely heavy, to be honest. 4 college ruled composition notebooks. I got 2 red and 2 black. I got 3 packs of college ruled paper. I got a 5 subject 5 star notebook, and of course red. My favorite color is red, so there's a lot of red stuff here. I got 2 5-star folders. I got a red and a black. I got a super cute agenda or planner. This is adorable. I'm so excited to use this. It just looks like this, if you can even see that. It's really cute, it's really handy. I honestly kind of love it, and I'm so excited to start using this. And then the last two things I got was a plain white binder. I already kind of decorated it. I put pictures of all of my best friends on the inside, just so that when I'm starting to feel a bit lonely at my new school, I can be reminded of my best friends. But I also got these dividers for the inside that are just like that. It's to divide all of my classes. Okay, so that is everything in my back to school haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't really have anything else to say, honestly. I'm not excited to go back to school at all. I'm honestly like super duper nervous about this whole new school type of thing, but we'll see how it goes. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
I can really